Hi, I'm Andy Turtle, Technical Product Manager here at WAGO. When it comes to control cabinets, having the right technology in place for precise switching and protection is essential. At WAGO, we offer a comprehensive portfolio that does exactly that. Let's take a closer look. WAGO's electronic circuit breakers, or ECBs, are designed to protect your 24-volt DC circuits from overloads and short circuits. Compared to traditional methods such as fuses and MCBs, an ECB offers big benefits. They're extremely compact. The 8-channel saves almost 80% DIN rail space compared to 8 MCBs. In addition, a new series of single-channel ECBs are available. At just 6 mm wide, they offer a scalable, space-saving solution. Both types offer adjustable current ratings, giving you flexibility and reliability in one smart package. With remote status monitoring and reset capability, you can keep downtime to a minimum. It's even possible to configure an integrated pre-alarm condition monitoring function that can help avoid costly stoppages. When your operations can't afford to stop, even for a moment, WAGO delivers uninterrupted confidence. Introducing the WAGO 787 series 24-volt UPS charger controller system, a compact, intelligent solution designed to keep your machines and systems running smoothly through DC power disruptions. Whether it's a short power interruption or an extended outage, WAGO's system with connected battery modules provides reliable power for several hours, ensuring critical processes continue running, saving expensive downtime costs. WAGO's UPS solutions ensure space-saving design that fits where you need it most. Here are the key benefits. Simple parameterization with PC software. WAGO's cage clamp connection technology for reliable, free of maintenance wiring. And with smart battery control technology, you gain predictive maintenance capabilities and an extended battery life, keeping you ahead of the curve and reducing downtime. Control cabinets can be tailored for demanding industrial use. WAGO's UPS system is the future-ready DC power solution for your critical applications. Innovation is vital to keep up with evolving technologies. WAGO is developing advanced UPS solutions to take advantage of developments in battery design. Look out for an exciting new product announcement soon. WAGO's 855 series current transformers, or CTs, make energy monitoring straightforward. Our CTs are a crucial component in accurate energy metering. What sets these CTs apart is their ability to deliver precise and reliable readings, making them ideal for both energy management or billing scenarios where accuracy is critical. They're designed to integrate seamlessly into existing systems while maintaining consistent performance. Importantly, specific versions meet the conformity assessment requirements for billing applications. That means they're officially certified and approved for use in conjunction with WAGO's MID meters, ensuring that they meet a high standard for quality and compliance. They're easy to install, even in tight spaces, and help pinpoint high energy use and help meet your energy reduction targets in combination with a WAGO energy meter. WAGO offers both solid or split core versions, or an ultra-compact 18mm pitch version for close mounting adjacent to your MCBs. Whether you're retrofitting or building new systems, there is a perfect solution, irrespective of the space available or design of enclosure. In short, if you're looking for a dependable, accurate measurement technology tailored to your needs, WAGO's current transformers are a smart and trusted choice. WAGO's relays and signal conditioners are essential for reliable switching and signal processing in your control panels. WAGO's relays offer long service life, quick response times, and are available in both electromechanical and solid-state options. To ensure trouble-free operation, WAGO offers specialised relays to suit specific utilisation cases, be that for lighting, hazardous areas, safety circuits, or even arduous railway applications. For simplicity of ordering, a complete relay, socket, retaining lever, and suppressor indicator can all be specified as a single reference. This eliminates the risk of incompatibility or even forgetting to order a crucial part. On the subject of relay selection, WAGO has an extensive portfolio. From the ultra-compact 6mm width 857 series, through the 788 series miniature rated up to 16 amps, to the 858 industrial offer with up to 4 changeover contacts. There are also 789 series modular relays, which are perfect for use in building automation, and a wide range of solid-state relays and opto-couplers. WAGO's signal conditioners. They're the unsung heroes that help ensure precise measurements and safe signal transmission, as well as bridging the gap between different signal types, ensuring everything works seamlessly together. The WAGO offer includes the slim, just 6mm width 857 series and the 2857 series with plug-in Picomax terminals. For easy configuration, either dip switch or PC software makes setup fast and intuitive. WAGO's extensive range offers 3-way galvanic isolation, signal conversion and amplification in one slim housing. Perfect for reducing wiring effort and simplifying commissioning. From control and protection to signal processing, WAGO's precise switching and protection range delivers dependable performance you can trust. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website or contact your local WAGO representative. And thanks for watching.